Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I would like to show you how to turn a turtle in Turtle Python. For this you will need a Python editor and Turtle installed. First you need to import Turtle. Now to turn the turtle you type turtle dot, then the direction and then the angle you want to turn it. That's it. Now when you run it, the turtle will be facing a different direction from horizontal as long as you didn't set the angle to a multiple of 180. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, consider subscribing to the channel. I also just recently started a Patreon for people who want to support the channel. Being a patron gives access to GitHub files for every upload from now, and more depending on what tier you get. Thank you for watching and bye.